Hey guys, welcome to How to Livable. This is our channel where we create how-to content for businesses, helping them out. This is our LinkedIn series. So if you like it, please hit like. It really does help us make more of these. So let's jump into it. To leave a recommendation for one of your colleagues on LinkedIn, they've actually made it a lot easier recently. Just scroll down to recommendations and you will find the recommend or ask for recommendation buttons. Go ahead and click the recommendation button. Select the relationship. I'm going to pick John was a client. Select John's position, acquisitions, next, and then write in your recommendation there. If you want to go the next step, I actually do recommend asking the person to approve your recommendation before you post it on their profile because this is kind of their homepage for their professional persona, and knowing exactly what's going to be there does matter. So that's something you can do as an extra service to people. That's basically it for today, guys. A little bit about our channel. This is created by myself and Michael Lukes, who is a content writer. I do video advising and video creation for people on LinkedIn and for businesses. If you want to get in touch, please drop a comment in the post below. We would love to hear from you if you need help, and please consider subscribing.